Oh, welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And now, Dwayne is saying family is important as, it's your strength, They're there for you at all times. And he's saying that his mom is always there for him. And he's bigging up his family members, saying that his grandma, they instilled in them that family should be your number one priority. So just go ahead over and watch what he has to say. He said nobody can style my mother, nobody. So go over ahead and listen to what he has to say about this as he speaks his mind. Doing his one, he's always speaking his mind. So check it out and like, share, subscribe to the channel, and have a wonderful day now.
Listen, this is my grandparents. My grandparents have instilled values in us. Family is number one. Love your family unconditionally. And this is the thing that I'm a family. Big up my mother. Big up my father. Big up my brother. Them. Big up the whole of my family. Without my listen, me telling a long time. My family support is so. Listen, I'm so thankful for my family. Me say, people when me did sick, right? Me did sick, I'm in the hospital. My mother and my brother, them come in the hospital, come sleep with me, them time that I had my own corner room. I had my own corner room, and I had a long couch in there. My mother come to come sleep on the couch. If I say, Mama want juice, he go buy me juice. Mama, listen. I say, no gyal boy pay cast time, mama, no dirty bone go pay cast time, or no drink my post PP, I must that. I say, my mother is a professional. She's a professional. She have assets. Assets? She have assets. She work really hard for your assets, and never one day she do this. Never one day she do this. Never one day she have to do that. For make a buck card here. On a bright. On a pass bright. I say on a pass bright. I'm going to tell them, I say on a don't tap, not tap, come in, I want to tap, come here, come out, go show us how that thief. Me, I go show us how that thief. Me, come I have my file, them lock, seal, already for those dash out. Oh, me a tap, I say, every day I get up on that cuss. You never know that long time when I got YouTube, I chastise me. When I got YouTube, I fling, I come and call me, baby germs. You should look more closer to him, right between a crotch, and this is the germs there, right there. So, you know what a man will fling up them dirty wood in there, and this is the germs there. People, excuse my language, excuse my language. Excuse my language, you hear? I'm sorry. So, someone up here some real content guitar band artist, and I can go on like so not smart. Me smarter than the wall out. Me tell you a long time, so me smarter than the wall out. Me. Do we shot, do we and baby germ, but rabbit with the bungalow. Me smarter than the wall out of call a long time. I watch her and I store me like a file and pound. Uno tan the time junk, but time no fool. Time junk, but time no fool. Time junk, but time no fool. I means no fool. Me tell you a long time now, I'm educated. I is very educated. You understand? I tell you, my family is professionals. Respectfully. I was a professional too until shit hit the fan and things happen in my life. And things you can come bust liberty. Go bust liberty when the family don't love you. Go and bust liberty when the family don't love you. I don't know, girl. Come off. Make I black you. Come off. I went there. So where you delete the comment for? Where you delete the comment for? Right second so I can block you. Where your name? Kimberly Alexander. Right second so I can block you. I ain't gone. Kimberly, so why did you delete your comment? You're crosses. Kimberly, you're crosses. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a screenshot you and screenshot the name. When me done, I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna black you, Kimberly Alexander. I'm gonna black your crosses, clot. You endorse the thief in people empire. That's your cut about how did I get here? You beard for evening, Kimberly? Kimberly, you beard? You beard yet? That's the answer. Run up. Girl, me not run up on nobody. Me say me chat, come back, brother. Listen, me back, brother. I'm not afraid of nobody. Them could have cuss me mother. Cause anybody if me tell God come, my people them better than for them people them can not my people them never compare come beg, never. And we say end day we compare come beg. Me beg God backs we down, backs we right down. Right this so respectfully. And he ain't say now cuss no, you better cuss. Come say you're gonna have to cuss me. Truth, the whole truth, and whatever. You see it? Them hours want to call me when me dey on my life. Why don't want to do them something near? Sure. You can't believe them people, you know. Them hours want to come call me dey on my damn live. Why come upset my thing?